In a lot of years of making tools, we've learned three things. One is get the light in camera whenever you can. Two is don't over edit. And three is don't under edit. And that third one is an important discovery that a lot of us need to put to work. A little more. Don't smile, just kind of. Good. Less teeth. Purse your lips. And then just look. And sometimes getting inspired is hard. Sometimes you take tools and they just push everything too far and it's just taking and pushing contrast or saturation. And we said, no, we need something that's inspired by our muses. We need something that's inspired by the colors, the history, the film, the cinema that we've been studying. We need something that's more than, oh, look, this is a pack of color presets. We need something that can take our creativity and help us not only edit better and faster, but help us to not under edit like film did, like the darkroom did, when we had no limits, no particular standard of this is what cameras make and what it should look like. We simply created images. What you're going to love about Muse is that you can simply come in. It's a simple collection dedicated to tone and light. It has those rich, lush, deep filmic greens. It has beautiful, stunning skin tones with different variations and concepts for different image types. It's a collection that's designed for portraits, for your models, for your clients, but that works on anything. It's a collection that you can just go to and simply apply the looks you want. You can use quick, easy, fast mods. You can manually edit. You can take it into Photoshop and use more advanced final edits. But the bottom line is Muse is meant to take those times when you need that inspiration, when you need that great edit, or when you already have that vision and you just want to complete it. It's so easy to over edit with digital that digital's taught us to be timid with our edits. Cameras have this tendency to be a little bit ordinary. Unlike the film days where every film that we use was distinctly different, while there's differences in our raw files, a lot of times the goal of a raw file is actually to be pretty neutral. And as the image maker, we're expected to edit. We're expected to make it better. And you know what? Sometimes that's hard to do. And Muse, it just makes that easier. You're still the image maker. The idea is still here. It just helps you get the edit, the creativity, and the ideas in so much more variety. The colors, the channels, the tones, the curves, and every tool we have to make edits that are just beautiful. And that's what it does, and it has something for everyone. Muse is great editing. Muse is inspiration. Muse is a preset styles collection for Lightroom, for Capture One, that just works. And it's one of those collections that you're just gonna go to over and over and over again because it's not tacky, it's not cheesy, it's just dang good editing.